This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
What's up, guys? David here with Tire Review.
And Christian.
And we are at the 2025 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, baby!
There's a lot of new products, a lot of new tires to go see. So, David, why don't we just go in there right now?
Let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Here at SEMA 2025, we have a brand new magnetic wheel adapter for our Hawkeye XL commercial heavy-duty wheel alignment system. This is a brand new option that could be paired on any new or existing system. Attaches magnetically to the lug in a matter of seconds, offers wonderful wheel protection with these nice polished rims, is adjustable to a variety of bolt patterns and lug counts. Available first quarter. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the show.
Well, this is the first time in a while that we've had a booth like this, and it's massive. We've got our complete range here, including some new tires, the Impreza S and the Enferra Sport. So we're just happy to be in amongst our customers and so many awesome cars displaying our product.
Hi, I'm Steve Shear. I work with Toyota Tires. We're here at SEMA 2025. Hard to believe, but another year for Toyota Tires at the Tread Pass. We have about 28 vehicles here on display, all world custom debuts. We also have new tires here. We have the Fox Sport R, which is an extreme performance summer tire. We're super excited about this tire. It's coming out mid-2026. Check out our website for the details on it, but a lot of great products here, great culture, great fans. Check it out.
We're excited to show off Bartec 365. So with Bartec 365, you have the ability to manage your devices, do inspection reports on vehicles, and then we also have a full knowledge base where we host TSBs, video content, and more.
We're here at the Hankook booth at SEMA, and we are showcasing our DynaPro product line right now. And we've got a lot of good things happening. We have the Donut Media guys over here. They're going to be signing autographs. We have our OVR tire giveaway that you can vote on the best build, win a chance to win a set of tires. And just really excited for what we have in store. We're doubling our expansion in our Tennessee plant, and we're going to be looking at about 11 million tires annually.
This year at SEMA, we're super excited not only to show TreadSpec X, which is our flagship drive-over unit, but the introduction of WheelSpec, which allows for the moving vehicle to drive by as we take a look at the sidewall and read the rating on the sidewall to issue a tire quote. We can do the same thing as both of those units on GrooveSpec X. And not only the tire analysis, but now we've actually introduced the damage spec system, which takes approximately 100 photos of the vehicle as it travels past the unit and allows us to use AI damage detection to find any damage on that vehicle.
We're here at SEMA 2025, very excited to be launching our new Mud Kicker X. As you see, we're really excited about this new tire with the new sidewall that we've come up with. We got 9.5 mm now versus our other iteration of it, which was 5 millimeters. So it's a lot more aggressive look, and it gives you performance as well. It's got the mud rated, it's got the Quiet Cat technology. I mean, it's got all the bells and whistles, and we're real excited about this new one, and launching it here in SEMA makes it even that much more special.
We're here at the SEMA Show again with a wonderful display at the Atturo booth. We've got some really cool looking cars here to attract some people, but our main focus obviously is attracting everybody to see this wonderful display of Atturo tires. We have everything from ultra high performance to pickup truck, mud tires, everything for the consumer, including all season and all weather tires. Absolutely excited about this event coming up this year. This 4 days is just going to be spectacular for us here at Atturo.
Hi everybody. So we are super excited to show off all of our products today, including tire body and the sparkling awesome new features we're going to announce at SEMA. But we are even more excited to spend time with our trusted and beloved partners and customers who partly also exhibit at the show. And looking forward to the next couple of days, and super exciting.
So we brought a lot of exciting products, but what we're looking at right here behind us is a walk-away cell. So what we're doing here is we have a brand new wheel balancer that we're introducing to the industry. We're going to know it's going to give you walk-away features, so you can add air autonomously, and it allows the technician to go on to the next step of mounting the tire. So it greatly reduces the amount of time it takes to mount a set of 4 tires. As you can see here, we've got some great time savings, up to 44% time savings when you couple our road force walkway with our Revolution tire changer. It's the most automated system in the industry today.
Wow.
So phenomenal. We've got another great product right over here. This is our Ultimate ADAS. So what we're doing is we're doing wheel alignments, but also ADAS calibrations. As you can see with the crowd here, they're interested to see how we do this in an alignment bay, in a flat stall, and we're really revolutionizing ADAS calibration for our industry.
Man, what a show, dude.
Dude, I know. I can't wait till next year already.
Let's sign up.
All right, let's do it.
Thank you for joining us. Take care.